Right, so I'll show you an old rabbit poaching trick in a minute. But first of all, I just wanted to show you a kind of setup for a rabbit snare, or a more traditional setup. I'm going to show you an alternative setup in a second. So the traditional way is peg in the ground, tail a stick and your snare. You'd probably want to hammer this in more, and also you want to put this on a run, whereas I've just put it here just to show you. But the thing is, if you catch a rabbit in that and you're a poacher, your rabbit is going to be stuck there in its position, and a gamekeeper might see it. Or in a survival situation, your rabbit might be stuck there and a fox or something might come and get it. So there's a little poacher's trick what you can do to maybe eliminate that. So I'll show you that in a second. So you've got your snare set up still. Obviously, like I said, you want this on a run, not just in the middle of nowhere where this is. It's got to be on a run. Instead of having it attached to the peg in the ground, you've got it attached to this stick. Quite thick. It's got to be about 3 foot long. Now what the idea is the rabbit comes along and gets caught in the snare, and he can run off with this stick, and hopefully he should run off back to his warren and go down his rabbit hole. And then he goes down the hole and this stick gets blocked across the entrance of the hole. So all you've got to do is then find the rabbit hole, which has got a big stick across it, pull it out, and you should have a rabbit on the end. And the good thing about that is if it's poaching, unless the gamekeeper knows about looking for sticks across rabbit holes, he's not going to find this. And if this in a survival situation, the rabbit can run off, get down his hole, and is less likely to be taken by predators, but it should still be attached to that. I'll show you. And also, you shouldn't have to be very good at tracking to see that there's a row of stinging nettles which has been pushed over, leading to a rabbit hole. Hopefully you can see it, but see it there? Where the rabbit would have gone along with his stick attached to the snare. And then you would follow your, you dragged down stinging nettles or weeds or grass to the rabbit hole, and that's what you'd be looking for. And hopefully on the end of that you would have a rabbit attached. But like I said, it's a good method to stop anyone seeing your traps, stuff like that, because once it's caught you can run back down there. It's got quite a lot of slack on it, and also predators shouldn't be able to get to it in a survival situation. That was an old poacher's trick. Leave lots of slack and then it can go down quite far, you see. Right, cheers for watching and I'll see you later.